Hey everyone, welcome back. A reliable circular saw is a must-have for both DIY ERs and pros, perfect for fast, accurate cuts on almost any project. Modern saws are powerful, portable, and versatile with adjustable cut depths, bevel angles, and improved safety features. Plus, today's cordless models can rival corded performance. I tested each saw for power, speed, battery life, ease of use, and value. Today we're ranking the top 8 circular saws, from compact options to heavy-duty cutting machines. Let's get into it. Starting at number 8, we have the Craftsman V20 cordless circular saw. Part of the V20 cordless system, this cordless circular saw accepts 6.5-inch blades for cross-cutting or ripping 2 times material. The high-performance motor runs at 4,200 revolutions per minute for aggressive, fast cutting. The tool-free beveling shoe pivots up to 50 degrees for angled cuts. Metal shoe for added durability. The compact and lightweight design help reduce fatigue. Contoured over-molded handle for added comfort during use. Battery and charger sold separately. It's at number 8 because part of V20 cordless system with 6.5-inch blade capacity. High-performance motor runs at 4,200 revolutions per minute for aggressive cutting. Tool-free beveling shoe pivots up to 50 degrees. Metal shoe for durability with compact, lightweight design. Contoured over-molded handle for comfort. 3-year limited warranty, but battery and charger sold separately. For budget cordless circular saw in V20 system, this delivers basic performance. At number 7, we've got the Makita 5007 MG circular saw, my pick for best corded sidewinder. Built from a lighter magnesium, this saw is easy on the hands and arms, but it has the cutting ability to handle any piece of lumber without difficulty. 2 onboard LED lights ensure you're not missing a cut due to poor visibility, and a nifty ducted dust blower continually moves debris from the line as you cut. Because it's corded, of course, you have to sacrifice portability and some maneuverability with this saw compared to others on the list. But if those aren't of much concern to you, this is a great investment that should have a home in your workshop for years to come. It's at number 7 because built from lighter magnesium. Cutting ability handles any piece of lumber without difficulty. 2 onboard LED lights ensure visibility in poor lighting. Ducted dust blower continually moves debris from cut line. For best corded sidewinder with LED lights and dust blower, this is a great workshop investment. At number 6, we have the Milwaukee 7.25-inch circular saw, my pick for the best cordless circular saw. If you're skeptical that a cordless saw can match the power of a plugged-in option, this is the tool to change your mind. If you've got the budget, or you already own M18 batteries, this cordless circular saw has the power to mix it with its 15-amp corded competition. And if you're concerned about battery longevity versus mains power, don't be. Users verify several hours of continuous use on a fully charged 6-amp-hour AH battery. It's at number 6 because if you're skeptical, cordless can match corded power. This tool changes minds. Has power to compete with 15-amp corded competition. Several hours of continuous use on fully charged 6-ampere-hour battery verified by users, but requires budget or existing M18 battery investment. For best cordless circular saw that matches corded power, this Milwaukee delivers. Number 5 brings us the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR cordless circular saw, my pick for the most powerful. DeWalt took its 20-volt cordless circular saw and sent it to the gym. Now, it can run on a standard 20-volt max battery or the hulking dual-voltage 20/60 FlexVolt power pack, not included. During our testing, we found this circular saw really comfortable to operate, thanks to the ergonomic handle positions and rubber grip. We also appreciated the effectiveness of the electronic blade brake, which stops the blade from spinning a second or two after you release the trigger. Overall, this DeWalt cordless circular saw is a powerful, smooth cutting tool with outstanding accuracy. If you're thinking of going cordless but want to ensure you maintain top performance, this is the one to get. It's at number 5 because it runs on a standard 20-volt max battery or dual voltage 20/60 FlexVolt power pack. Ridiculous amount of cuts on one charge, ran out of wood before battery faded. For the most powerful cordless with a flex volt option, this is the one. At number 4, we've got the DeWalt circular saw, my pick for best corded sidewinder saw. DeWalt's stock sidewinder saw is a hit with DIY users and pros alike for its day-in/day-out reliability and accurate performance. The aluminum base and shoe, plus plastic housing, make it a lightweight grab-and-go option. Its 15-amp brushless motor produces 1,950 watts for blade speeds of 5,200 revolutions per minute, enough for a wide range of cutting tasks and materials. It's at number 4 because hit with DIY users and pros for day-in/day-out reliability and accurate performance. Aluminum base and shoe plus plastic housing make it lightweight grab-and-go. 15-amp brushless motor produces 1,950 watts for 5,200 revolutions per minute blade speeds. Wide range of cutting tasks and materials. For best corded sidewinder with reliable daily performance, this DeWalt is the choice. Coming in at number 3, we have the Kreg circular saw, my pick for the best compact circular saw. If you're working on smaller projects, tight spaces, or quick cuts, this is exactly the kind of tool you want to have within arm's reach. It's super lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for those jobs that don't justify pulling out a full-size circular saw. One of the standout features here is the grinder-style handle design. It gives you a more natural grip and excellent control, especially when working one-handed or at awkward angles. Under the hood, the brushless motor delivers a solid 5,000 revolutions per minute, which is more than enough power for a compact saw. It cuts cleanly through materials up to 2 inches thick, handling plywood, softwood, and light construction tasks without struggling. It's at number 3 because it combines a compact, lightweight design with surprisingly strong performance, making it perfect for smaller tasks, detail work, and quick jobs around the workshop or job site. At number 2, we have the Bosch blade left circular saw. I've owned a larger corded version of this saw for more than a decade, and it's been a dependable workhorse for every task I've thrown at it. Running on an 18-volt battery, this saw is a step down in power from my trusty beast. But the left blade design is a game changer. I can clearly see the cut line all the time. I was a latecomer to the cordless saw bandwagon and questioned whether an 18-volt tool would ever measure up to my powerful corded saws. But I have to admit, the convenience of not running power cords is immeasurable, especially in the rain. And provided I always have a backup battery on hand, I'm more efficient with cordless tools across the day. It's at number 2 because dependable workhorse for more than a decade of proven use. Blade left design is game changer. Clearly see cut line all the time. Light enough for long days on tools. Convenience of cordless immeasurable, especially in rain. For blade left visibility and cordless convenience, this Bosch is exceptional. And finally, at number 1, the Makita 377 Magnesium Hypoid saw. This is the best overall circular saw. First and foremost, it's a cutting beast, making its way through heavy, pressure-treated 2x10s like nothing. And while its corded design means sacrificing some portability, the upside is you're never surprised by a sudden loss of power mid-cut. The motor components are sealed with oil during production, which, in conjunction with a built-in fan, continually bathes the gears in lubrication. This feature eliminates the need to change and add oil as you do on traditional worm drive saws, ensuring a longer lifespan for the tool. It's the kind of saw that can do it all, from cutting sanded plywood to demoing a bathroom subfloor or making trench cuts in concrete. It's at number 1 because it's a cutting beast through heavy, pressure-treated 2x10s. For most professionals and serious DIYers wanting best overall, the Makita 5377 Magnesium Hypoid saw is simply unbeatable. Alright, that's the top 8 circular saws of 2026, tested and ranked. A great circular saw comes down to power, accuracy, and reliability, whether you're a pro or a DIYer. If this helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more honest tool reviews. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.